Uhura, contact Starfleet.
Mission briefing. Investigate strange energy readings in the neutral zone. Awaiting your orders.
Engage.
Warp drive engaged. Entering neutral zone. Slowing to impulse power. Entering neutral zone. Energy readings indicate a hidden vessel.
Launch a probe.
Probe deployed. Captain. Telemetry indicates a Romulan ship hiding in the nebula.
Uhura, try to snoop in on their communications. Let's find out what they're doing here.
Romulan communication decrypted. Captain. They're planning to meet with a Federation officer on planet Delta Vega 3. The officer is supposed to bring classified information in exchange for unknown concessions.
Set course for Delta Vega 3. Engage.
Course plotted. Captain. Engaging maximum warp. Dropping out of warp. Captain. Entering orbit. Sensors indicate no Romulan vessels in the vicinity.
Beam down to the planet.
Away team has reached the meeting location. Captain. The Romulan is meeting with Lieutenant Commander Benjamin Finney, a Starfleet officer.
Set phasers to stun.
Phasers set to stun. Away team is moving to intercept Lieutenant Commander Finney and the Romulan.
Apprehend the commander. Fire phasers.
Phasers fired. Captain. Lieutenant Commander Finney and the Romulan are stunned. Away team is retrieving the classified information.
Beam the commander and the Romulan to the brig.
The classified information has been retrieved, and Lieutenant Commander Finney and the Romulan are in custody.
Contact Starfleet Command.
Mission complete. The Enterprise is clear to return to Starfleet Command.